So today we're going to be doing Earth reviews over on Nail.com. Sorry if you can see like black bars or something on the top. No, it's so I don't show my tabs, although most of the time I do. I just decided not to today. I feel like it just looks better for you guys watching. But sneezing. Very awkward. I'm not gonna write a review, but I'm going to be ranking literally everything in here. So, probably like 2 stars. How would somebody do 5 stars? Okay. 2 stars. Bread. I'm gonna do 3 stars. Crying, probably 2 stars. Maybe not 1 star. Caves, it's either like 1 or 3. I'm gonna say 3. High fives, what? I guess 4. I'm not gonna write a review. I don't know if it's saving my review. Spiders are definitely 1. Absolutely not disgusting, but they are. Yeah. Okay, that's what people are saying. Banks, I guess 3 stars. I don't really know. There's elevators. If you could get trapped inside an elevator, it's a 3. It would have been like 4 though. Drive-throughs, 4, not 5. Everyone's saying 5. Wait, 1 should be a glitch and make. Guess it is unhealthy, but still at the same time. Cars, 5 stars, I guess. They're like way easier to get around. Drive these cars. Next up we have jeans. I guess like 3 stars. I really don't know. I don't even know if it's saving it. I might have to write a review or to actually save it. Rainforest. Never actually been to a rainforest. Everyone's saying like 5 stars. I'm gonna do 4 because I have never been to a rainforest. Next up, fast food, 2. I mean, it's fast, but it's also unhealthy. But like you can easily get it, so maybe. Never sold or sailing. I've never went sailing. No, cause sold, you can't say I've never sold, because that means like sell something. I've never went selling, but how do you say that in one word? I've never selling in, I don't know, you wouldn't say sold, because sold is like money. I guess like, I've never won it. I'm gonna do 2. Fast food tag. Probably 4 because some people aren't really that fast. Spring, are we gonna do every season? I guess not. Spring, 4, I guess. Billboards, see what the Hawaiians are saying. If you don't get that, billboards are actually banned in Hawaii. I think they are a distraction. It's honestly 1 star. Can I do 0 stars? No. They're actually banned in Hawaii. I would really go to Hawaii for that. No. Probably more than that just for that. But airplanes, they take a long time, but it's faster than cars. Trains. Well, trains I'm pretty sure are like really expensive, and they're only like 6 days. Airplanes take a while. I'm gonna do 2. No, I'm gonna do 3. I don't know. I feel like a train's better than a plane. I've never been on. I mean, I have been on I've never been on either, but I have been on a plane when I was like 5 days old. I was gonna say years older. Campfires, for some reason I can almost never actually smell. Like, I can smell. That's not like a weird thing that I have where I literally can't smell. For some reason, I just can, and people say they can smell rain. I can never smell rain. I'm gonna say too, it keeps like, if there's no rain, you would have no water, and everyone would, like, probably die. So that's 5, I guess. Although it kind of blinds you, like, if you're driving. 4, I say that like I have a car. I'm only 12, so obviously I don't. Cooking, I'm genuinely kind of surprised that my mom hadn't, like, taught me how to cook, because I literally don't really know how to cook anything. I'm 12. I kind of want her to teach me how to cook, but she doesn't. I guess 3, I mean, if you don't cook, probably gonna starve. Unless you go to, like, a restaurant every day, you're like kneecaps. 1, I don't know. Wait, those are for, like, bikes. I thought that was, like, if you get hurt. Funny bone? I'm gonna do 3 stars because I honestly have. Everyone's saying either 1 star or, like, 5. A few in the middle, but, like, what? What is a funny bone? I don't know. Spring, airplanes, sunshine, cooking, and he kept saying the garbage trucks. My dog is scared of garbage trucks. Literally, when there's a garbage truck in the morning, if he's outside, he literally wants. He thinks it's like a monster. I guess. So, Peanut, my dog, Peanut, or Peanut Butter, or Buddy, or Butters, but we used to call him Peanut, and then when he was in trouble, we would call him Peanut Butter, but now we just call him both interchangeably. But we'll also call him Buddy sometimes, which probably came from butter, but yeah, we don't actually, now when he's in trouble, since peanut butter doesn't work for him being in trouble because we use that all the time, we just call him Peanut Butter Brains when he's in trouble now. Which one did I just do? Garbage trucks? I forgot what rating I even did. I did 2, okay. You know, I could just click the left arrow key right next to ESC, not to be confused with the one in the bottom of it, rather than clicking all the way up here. I don't know why that matters. Midnight? What? Great time to cry, party, or do whatever you want without the sleeping NPCs. Sleeping NPC. I don't really remember what NPC stands for. I don't really remember what it means. I think it means like you're alone all the time. And then you just like stare at the wall. You don't even like do anything. Like you don't turn on TV or anything. Whenever the NPCs are sleeping, so you're calling somebody an NPC for them sleeping. Without the NPC sleeping, no. What? Okay, why would you be partying other than like New Year's? And maybe sometimes like once per year, 2 stars, like best time for us. Who's eating a snack? I've heard of this thing called midnight snack, but I think it's pretty stupid. Because literally, when you eat, you can't sleep that well. So why are you eating a snack in the middle of the night? Roller coasters. If it's like those little ones, 3, those big ones, 2. I mean, they're fun. I've never been on a big one. I feel like I'm too old for little ones. But like, the big ones are absolutely giant, like enormous. I'm in middle school. Oh my goodness, everybody's putting 1 star. I don't really, I mean, I guess 2. It's like what the rating or average, although, I mean, it's like 1.999, or, no, like 2.99, no, like 1, 2.99, I don't know, 1.999, was thinking 2.99. Sleeping 4 stars, I guess. Sleeping spoons. Why are we ranking spoons? Also, why does it have such a high rating? I get sporks are like 5 stars. I don't think I have a spork at home. Speed bumps, I think they're good, but they should have like a sign up. Half the time they don't even have a sign. Maybe like 3. Because like it's safe to have speed bumps, right? Glasses, I wear glasses, but I mean, would you rather be blind? 4 stars. Coffee. I don't drink coffee. I would say hot chocolate is better. But coffee does keep you awake. I feel like there's a lot of people who are drinking this early. So I am 12 and my mom says I technically am allowed to drink coffee, but I just never have. I just like don't, even though technically I'm allowed to. 3, I guess it helps you stay like, I don't know, umbrellas? Definitely 5. But sometimes Grammy has like a bunch of different umbrellas. And like, they're giant. But you know, that doesn't really matter. That doesn't move me down to 4 apartments. It's pretty small. And you have people next to you, like upstairs, sometimes like their dog barking. And stuff. So, here, let me plug this in real quick. 3 stars. I would not want to live in an environment, but they are cheaper than like big houses. Not by much, though. Con side, I don't even know what that is, so I'm just gonna put right in the middle 3 stars. Or wait, right in the middle 2.5, whatever. Cooking tag. Wait, I thought we already did cooking and tag. Wait, what? I'm confused. Wait, why are these in a different order? Wait, every time okay, fire, we're gonna do 3 stars. Maybe we won't rate everything. Let's rate a few more, because I think they actually end up in a completely different order. Those are 5 stars. Let's just rate like 2 more. Aeroplanes, I already rated. Table tennis, guess like 2, it could be pretty boring. Then the last one we're gonna do, running, 3, I guess, but that's going to be the end. If you want to see more Net Out Fun, videos, recommend subscribing. For some reason, the Sun vs. Moon and iChat are disappearing. Like, they're literally not on the website anymore. They still exist because I can still search like Sun vs. Moon Net Out Fun on a separate tab, but like, you know, that's going to be the end. If you saw like black bars, like, you know, when you're watching an old movie and there's like black bars on the top and bottom, it's because I'm not recording with my full screen. But yeah, that's going to be the end, and goodbye.